How to delete Google Docs version history. So guys, in this video tutorial we are going to learn about. So let's start with the video guys. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me open Google Docs first. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my Google Docs. So let me go in version history. We need to go in file, and here you can see the option called version history. So we can see all version history by clicking this option, and here you can see this is my current version, which is final version of my documents, which is updated by you. And here you can see the history. You can say the history like version history. You can restore this history from here. Just go to the restore this version, then it will be restored to the current version. Okay, so if you want to delete this version history, so let me tell you guys, uh, 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 till time there is no any option to delete version history, but there is a one trick you can use to delete your you can use to avoid your version history. Okay, what you need to do, just come to the this file, go to the option, the file option, and go to the, I have to rename it, one second. Okay, so this is my file name. We need to just make the copy of this file. Okay, go to the make the copy, and you can rename it. Okay, and make the copy. It will be copied now. So this is my copied version. Okay, final. Now if I go the version history now, so you can see there is no any version history because it is new document, it is copied document. So now what you need to do, just go to the Google Docs, and here you can this file, which original file which we have make the copy, which is final, this copy you can see. So now we need to delete the first original file, it will be moved to the trash. Now you can this use your file as a fresh file, and you can see there is no version history, you can see. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.